My name is Alan Lance M. Pamadico, reporting Chapter 15, Quasi-Law Enforcement Agency. Now, what is Quasi-Law Enforcement Agency? As can you see here, the word Quasi-Law Enforcement Agency cannot be found in any English dictionary. Ibig sabihin, hindi siya mahanap po sa kahit anong dictionary na libro. Kaya po, mayroon siyang for the purpose of clear understanding for the word, may ginigyan po siyang operational meaning, which nakasasabi dyan, which refers to any law enforcement agency constituted by the varied government-owned and controlled corporation or GOCC. Ngayon, ano nga po ba ang GOCC? Ito po ay isang business entity na magmamayari or na-control ng government either directly or indirectly para ma-fulfill po mga public needs. At sabi po din, relatively with the respective rights of creation in which are tasked and provide security and protection service and varied law. Ang isa naman pong meaning ng Quasi-Law Enforcement Agency, yung mas madaling meaning ay Quasi-law enforcement agencies are governmental entities that have certain law enforcement powers or functions but do not have the full authority or a traditional law enforcement agency. So, meaning po dyan, ang quasi-law enforcement agency po ay isa po silang non-governmental entity na wala po silang full authority ng isa pong traditional na law enforcement agency. Ang mga example po dyan ay airport police o ay SBMA police po. Siya po ay hindi po siya full traditional law enforcement agency, pero isa pa rin po silang law enforcement agency pa rin. Ang next ko pong report ay Airport Police Department or at MIAA. Sabi po basa dito, the history of the Manila International Airport Authority, MIAA, started way back when the police originally a United States Air Force USAF base was turned over to the police government in 1948. It started its operation as a civil aviation airport with meager facilities. So ito po yung history po ng MIAA. So sabi po diyan, nung 1948 daw po, nagsimula po sila ng operation as a civil aviation airport na unti lang po yung mga facilities nila. Pero nagsimula na yun po sila. Tapos po, ng 1953, the airport international runways and associated taxiways were built para po magamit na po ng mga public yung airport. At saka followed din in 1961 by the construction of a control tower and a terminal building na managed po, ang first po nag-manage and operated by the National Airport Corporation, NAC. Ito ba isang agency created by virtue of RA number 224 entitled the National Port Corporation Act na nagtook effect on June 5, 1948. Pero that same was abolished in 1951. Tapos po, the Manila International Airport Division, MIAD, was created. So, yung pagka-abolish po ng the National Port Corporation Act, nagawa po sila nung Manila International Airport Division. Meron pong dalawang law enforcement body sa airport. At yung una po ay Airport Police Department, APD, at saka yung private security agencies. At sila pong dalawa ay naggawa po silang malalaking stride sa pagdetermine po ng criminality doon po sa airport para makatulong sila sa bodies po. People pala. At continuously po nila to maintain and sustain its compliance to its international commitment po ng International Civil Aviation Organization or ICAO Annex 17 Security Standard and Recommended Practices. Ang Airport Police Department ay may vision and mission. Ang vision po ng Airport Police Department, so with private security agency, ay makatumbas po sila of the best airport law enforcement agency, ALEA. At saka po, mano po yung inline din po yung vision na yon of the authority of making the Ninoy Aquino International Airport Terminal 1 o NAIA T1 at saka yung Centennial Airport Terminal 2 CAT2 at saka Manila Domestic Airport MDA maging world class at globally competitive airport. Sa mission naman po nila, mission ay ma-enforce at ma-secure the Ninoy Aquino International Airport Terminal 1 at saka Centennial Airport Terminal 2 at Manila Domestic Airport Complex. Passengers and cargos through gamit ang effective at saka efficient access control of personnel at saka and pag po vehicles above the standard at saka recommended practices set forth by the International Civil Aviation Organization o ICAO. At saka po ang policing authorities of the Airport Police Department, APD, na sumusuportan by the private security agency, PSA, are as follows. Sa number 1 mission po, basically, meanings po yan ay protect the airport in its operation. At saka ensures po the safety of aircraft, saka passengers, cargos, buildings, equipment, and staff based on established airport security standards and protocol. Sa number 2 naman po ay pagkocontrol access at saka movement po doon po sa loob ng airport. Ay manage po kung sino po yung pwedeng pumasok, lumabas, at saka po gumalaw sa loob po ng airport. Kasama na yun po dun yung mga tao at sasakyan para po prevent yung unauthorized access. At saka rin po para po tayo iwas sa aksidente. Tulad po yung nangyari po dyan sa yung last, po yata yun? Thursday nangyari, may aksidente dun sa Aquino Airport. Yung nag-overshoot na na kotse, nabangga ng mga bata at saka mga tao. Ayun, kawawa. Number 3 naman po ay maintain peace and order. Ay kailangan po works to keep the airport safe and orderly by collaborating with the police and other security organization as needed. Yung airport police organization, pwede po siya may pag-cooperate sa ibang police organization sakali po kailangan ng tulong. At number 4 naman po, overseas security operation. Yun sa akin. Ito yung pagsusupervise private security firms and the Philippine Aviation Security Corporation, ensuring they operate effectively under the airport authority guidelines. Paano po, hindi sila lumabag sa batas ng airport. Sa number 5 naman po ay pagpatupad ng lahat ng policies, decision, at saka instructions of the airport general manager. Yun na po yan. At saka po, in addition to all of this, kailangan din po round the clock security sa airport po para po mas safety po yung passengers, visitors, at saka mga other airport users. Kailangan din po i-monitor at saka control po yung mga traffic flow within the public access areas of conducted to ensure smooth traffic movement. Kasi alam nyo po, kung nakapunta na kayo sa airport, malalaman nyo po na ma-traffic talaga dun. Kailangan nyo po pa ng access para makapasok dun. Kaya kung kailangan magtatanong po kayo kung saan pupunta yung kung wala may kayo kamag-anak na uuwi. Tapos hindi nyo alam kung saan terminal yon. Pwede po kayo magtanong dun sa mismong kung saan bababa sakali yung yung kamag-anak nyo. Ganon. At saka kaya din po may security para po ma-check po kung mayroon po mga illegal activities o mga illegal na dadalhin sa airport po. Saka para hindi po wala may daling bomba, baril o kaya kutsilyo, baril, mga ganon. Kaya iba mo na yun. Ang mga airport complex daw po ay isang vital to growth and development as a nation. Kasi mga dyan po, yung airport po kasi yan yung nag-ano ng mga turista sa ating bansa. and it plays an important role in our national endeavor in enhance the quality of life to the unhampered movement of men and goods and service within the beyond. Doon na po ako magtatapos at kung nakikita nyo po, pagkatapos po ng slide ko may quiz. Thank you po sa pakikinig.